Welcome to this fun tutorial on making a decorative bowl out of paper pulp. This fun and eco-friendly technique allows you to turn simple paper into stunning handmade creations. Let's jump right through it. Here are the materials you will need. Paper. You can use paper out of egg cartons, old newspapers, or magazines, or plain paper. Warm water. White craft glue. A large bowl for molding. A mixer for kneading. An object for giving shape. We are using a small jar for this tutorial. Optionally, spray paint or decorative elements. Sandpaper. And spray varnish. Let's go! Start by tearing the paper into small pieces into a plastic bowl. We use egg cartons for this tutorial. Make the pieces as small as possible. If they are smaller, it will help create a smoother pulp. Pour warm water on top of the paper pieces. Please be careful when handling hot water. Let the paper soak in water for a while. This softens the fibers and makes them easier to blend. When the water got cold, filter as much water as you could. Then, blend the soaked paper using a mixer or knead it thoroughly with your hands until it becomes a smooth, uniform paste. You can still press firmly to remove excess water and ensure it holds its form. Now it is time to add the glue. Mix some glue and stir well. This will help bring the pulp together, making it pliable and easy to shape. Squeeze excess water with your hands. Now it is time to prepare the glass jar for molding. You can use a stretch film to make it easier to unmold and to avoid staining your container. Now start applying the pulp on the surface of the jar. Pay attention that you will have a smooth surface as much as possible. Straighten some big bumps with your hands. You can still apply some white glue mixed with water to increase the adhesion of the pulp. Now allow your project to dry completely. Depending on the size and thickness, this may take 1 to 2 days. After the pulp is completely dry, smooth the bumpy sides with sandpaper. After it is completely sandpapered, you can decorate your bowl with rope. Alternatively, you can use spray acrylic paint and veneer. We use spray paints, but you can also use acrylic paints and brushes. And there you have it, your very own handmade paper pulp construction. Now that we've finished the project, let's turn to some expert advice.
Τα χαρτιά που μπορούμε να χρησιμοποιήσουμε είναι μαλακά χαρτιά, όπως εφημερίδες, περιοδικά, όπως το κλασικό χαρτί που έχουμε Α4, καθώς επίσης και από χάρτινες αυγοθήκες, αυτές οι οποίες χρησιμοποιήσαμε εμείς, διότι δίνουν αυτό το πολύ ωραίο αποτέλεσμα που βλέπετε. Μπορούμε την ώρα που να χρησιμοποιήσουμε χρώμα, ακόμα και όταν ο χαρτοπολτός μας είναι, τον φτιάχνουμε, να ρίξουμε μέσα το χρώμα και να πάρει χρώμα το υλικό μας από την αρχή, ή να το βάψουμε με ακριλικά ή άλλα χρώματα που επιθυμούμε. Ο χαρτοπολτός μοιάζει με τον πυλό, επομένως μπορούμε να του δώσουμε ό,τι σχήμα θέλουμε. Με τον χαρτοπολτό μπορούμε να φτιάξουμε, εκτός από τα μπολ που έχουμε φτιάξει εδώ, βάζα, μπορούμε να φτιάξουμε φωτιστικά, διάφορα αντικείμενα, γλυπτά, ανάλογα με την έμπνευση που έχουμε.
Thank you for watching this tutorial. See you in future tutorials.